Hello everyone, welcome to week 5 assignment 5. So the first question is why interoperability in IoT is an issue. So answer for this is A, that is IoT nodes are heterogeneous, hence they communicate in different protocols. Second question is UNSPSC provides a solution for which of the following. So the answer is C, classification. Third question is Arduino development boards are equipped with microcontroller processors which are dash with respect to their hardware configurations. So the answer is B, that is the open software. Sorry, open source. Translation of inter-device communication forms an important part in solving device interoperability. So the answer is true. Fifth question is with respect to the different wireless communication protocols such as Zigbee, Bluetooth, GPRS, 6LoWPAN and Wi-Fi, which of the following terms can be associated with? So here the answer for fifth question is heterogeneity, that is B. Sixth question is which among the following are valid Arduino data types? So here it is all of these. Sixth is all of the given. Byte, character, boolean, these all are valid Arduino data types. So answer is D. Seventh question is what is the purpose of delay function in Arduino programming? It is D, that is to make the program to go sleep for a certain duration. So the answer is D. Consider the following Arduino snippet, code snippet. String str is equal to hello world. String ptr is equal to string dot to uppercase. What will be the value of string ptr? So here the value for this will be C, that is all letters will be in capitals. So it is C, hello world C. Ninth question is what does the following code snippet do in interfacing a servo motor with the Arduino Mega board int servo pin 12? So here the answer for this is A, that is it will declare the pin for connecting servo motor. 10th question is state true or false. The verify option in the Arduino IDE checks the code for compilation errors. So here the answer is A, that is true. Next question is the tool used to select a particular COM port for connecting Arduino to a serial connector is called a sketch. So here the answer is false, that is B. In general, with respect to any sensor that can be connected to an Arduino board, which of the following is correct? So here the answer will be B, that is the sensor will have at least 3 pins, VCC, ground and 1 data pin. So here the answer is B. 13th question is you connect the VCC pin of a sensor with which of the corresponding pin of Arduino board? Here the answer will be A, that is 3 volts. 14th question is servo is a type of sensor, actuator, modifier, pacifier. It is actuator, B. While uploading a sketch to an Arduino board, which of the following should be checked? Board, serial port, both, neither. So the answer is C, both board and the serial port. Submit your answers. So the deadline for submitting the 5th assignment is 27th of August. Hope you all will submit the assignment on time. Thank you.